Here's a view from the bottom of the hook. This is the tang that you normally set between the gap on your needle plate, and I can move the bobbin case base around inside the hook. Normally it's the bobbin case base that is more or less stationary and the hook moves, but this view is better for today's demonstration. So you'll notice we have a gap between here and here in that rail, and that gap constitutes a wormhole, and you can travel through wormholes. So here we go. That part right there is going to pull our thread around the bobbin. And it will come out the other side of the wormhole. If we pull on the thread instead, we'll see exactly what is meant by the cast-off point. That's this piece right here, and we cast off. Here's a view of the hook from the top side. You can see the gap in the hook race, which extends all the way from the hook cast-off point right here over to the tug right here. Notice the tug has an angled slant to it. Let's see if we can send some thread through the wormhole. Just like on the bottom side, the tug is what drags the thread around the bobbin case. Notice when I get to right here, the thread is not free to leave yet. If your take-up lever tries to pull the thread when the hook is only rotated to here, you will get interesting symptoms that look like you have a thread tension problem. In severe cases, you will get broken thread. But once the thread rotates to here, the loop of thread is free to go, and so it will cast off. Here I've marked the cast-off point with a piece of yellow tape and the edge of the nib with blue tape.